Let's learn English through daily conversations. Today's topic is, talk about your house. Are you ready? Let's get started. The kitchen.
Good morning, you are finally awake. Come sit. I'm making breakfast now.
Good morning, darling. What's for breakfast today?
I'm thinking of making some delicious strawberry pancakes.
Oh no, I want pizza and iced coffee.
Oh my baby, we don't have the tools for pizza right now. Look, we only have the pancake mix, the frying pan, and the whisk.
I love you, but baby, come on. We can't have pancakes every day.
Well, I'd love to make something fancy too. But guess what? We don't even have the oven on right now.
Oh, I knew it. You would bring up that oven. Sorry for not being able to fix it for you, honey. I will look into it today.
Thank you. So, let's have some pancakes, shall we?
All right, but can I have some iced coffee with it? I need to keep my mind sharp for work today.
I knew you'd ask for coffee. Sure. Honey, I'll make it. Pancakes and iced coffee, deal?
Deal. This sounds like a perfect start to the day.
Great. You sit down, relax. I'll make the pancakes, and then we can have a little breakfast date.
Perfect. Let me set the table for you.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Pancake. A flat cake made from a batter of milk, eggs, and flour, usually fried in a pan. Strawberry. A small red fruit with seeds on the outside, often used in desserts. Iced coffee. Coffee served cold with ice. Your listening question is: what does the husband want to have for breakfast? Answer: he wants pizza and iced coffee, but he agrees to have pancakes with iced coffee instead. The living room.
Hey son, how about we watch a documentary about wild animals tonight? It'll be really interesting.
Oh, Dad, no way. I want to watch the new action movie. Everyone in my class is talking about it.
Oh no, come on, we watch action movies all the time. Hold on, do you see the remote control anywhere?
I thought you were using it this morning to watch your boring soap opera.
It was not boring. Let me check under the sofa first.
Let me lift the sofa cushion for you. Nothing here, Dad. What about the coffee table?
I have opened the drawers under the coffee table. Nope, not here either. Let's check the rug.
No, the rug is empty. I can't believe we lost the remote again.
I think I see it. Oh wait, what is that thing behind the TV?
Let me squeeze in there. Yes, I got it. Now, let's watch the action movie.
Haha, thank you kiddo. Alright, but next time, I get to pick the movie.
Deal, Dad. But for tonight, I'm in charge of the movie.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Sofa. A large comfortable seat for multiple people, often found in living rooms. Cushion. A soft, removable pad used for comfort or decoration, often placed on sofas. Coffee table. A small table in the living room, typically placed in front of a sofa for drinks, books, or decorations. Your listening question is: what do the father and son argue about? Answer: they argue about which movie to watch. Father wants a documentary, but son wants an action movie. The bedroom.
Okay, sweetie, we need to decide where to put your new study desk.
I think I want it next to my bed.
Next to your bed. But that's not a good place for studying, you need good light. How about we put it next to the window?
No, Mom, I want it right next to my bed so I can study and then rest on my pillow when I get tired.
But you need sunlight, honey. A desk by the window will help you see better.
I know, but when I'm tired, I can just lie down on my blanket and look at my study desk. Then when I wake up, I can start studying right away.
Haha, my baby girl is clever. But I'm worried you'll end up lying in bed all day.
No, Mom. I'll study hard first, then sleep. I'll get up and see my study desk. That will make me want to study.
Well, you do have a point. I guess we should try it and see, yes?
Yes, big yes. Love you. Mommy, can you help me clean this spot for the new desk?
All right, we'll make it work. Let's grab the broom.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Bed. A piece of furniture for sleeping on, usually with a mattress. Pillow. A soft cushion used to rest your head while sleeping. Blanket. A large, soft cover used to keep warm while sleeping. Your listening question is: where does the daughter want to put her study desk? Answer: she wants to put it next to her bed so she can study and rest easily. The bathroom.
Honey, you have been trying to fix that shower all week. Should we call someone to fix it?
No, don't worry, I can fix it. I've watched a few videos online. Hang on there, honey, it's just the shower head that needs tightening.
Oh no. I don't know. Babe, you're not a plumber. What if you break something?
Ha, come on, I can handle it. I've got my wrench and screwdriver right here.
But you never fix things right. Remember the faucet, it took weeks to stop leaking.
But it is fixed now, right? Also, that was different. I have changed. This time, I'm confident.
Well, it's not like I don't trust you, babe. I just don't want the whole bathroom to get flooded.
Don't worry, just let me give it a try. I'll have it fixed in no time.
All right, but if it doesn't work, we're calling a plumber.
Sure, we are. Wait, why does this look a little strange? Oh no, what is this? I think it's leaking more now.
Oh no, not again. The water is everywhere.
Okay, give me the phone. I will call the plumber.
Let me do that for you. Well, I guess we learned our lesson from now on. I'm just going to call the plumber directly.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Shower head. The part of the shower from which water flows. Faucet. A device for controlling the flow of water, often used in sinks or bathtubs. Plumber. A person who fixes pipes and water systems. Your listening question is: what happens after the husband tries to fix the shower? Answer: the shower leaks more, and the wife ends up calling a plumber. The garden.
Hey son, do you want to play some basketball today?
Yes, Dad. But where are we going to play? The garden is full of Mom's flowers and plants.
Yeah, right. It's a bit small here, but let's start first. If you are serious about this, maybe we can convince Mom to make a small basketball court here.
Yeah, but where will we put the flower pots? Mom will get mad.
Well, we can move some of the flower pots over there by the fence. See, we just need to make some space.
That sounds good. But what about the garden tools? We can't move everything.
We can store them in the shed for now, so we can use the space for basketball.
Great. Let's start playing. Oh, Dad, we do not have a hoop. How can we play basketball without a hoop?
Don't worry, we can use the rim of the old basket and attach it to the wall. It'll work.
Wow, Dad, that's a great idea. Let's do it.
All right, here we go. I'll toss you the ball, and you try to shoot.
Okay? On 1, 2, 3. Got it, Dad.
You're doing great. Here comes another one.
Dad, catch. Oops, I missed.
Oh no, I think you hit the flower pot Mom loves.
Oh no, Dad. Not the cherry blossom pot.
Oh no, that's her favorite.
At this rate, we will never get our own basketball court.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Basketball court. A flat surface used for playing basketball. Shed. A small building used for storing tools, equipment, or other things. Rim. The edge or border of something, like the edge of a basketball hoop. Your listening question is: what happens when the father throws the basketball? Answer: the ball hits the flower pot that Mom loves. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.